Debari woke up and shouted, yay! It's my train and playground day. Uncle made me a shiny train. It zoomed so fast like a flying plane. Hey friends, look, my train goes fast. I smiled so big, having a blast. I didn't hear what my friends did say. I only watched my train all day. Tripped and fell, and my train's wheel popped off as well. Ouchy here and ouchie there, and teardrops filled my little stair. This was my train from Uncle too. I broke it, what should I do? At home I felt a tummy ache. My heart was sad with every shake. Knock, knock, who's at the door? It's Uncle smiling more. So he fixed my train and made me glow. He helped my heart feel better too. We fixed things together.